Step 1. Access the listing editor. First, log into your Occasion workspace. From the dashboard, click on Listings in the left sidebar menu. Next, click on My Templates, then click Create Listing on the template titled Use this for classes that meet one time. This will take you to the listing editor. Step 2. Enter basic class information. Now, let's enter the details for your class. Start with the class name. For example, you could call it Beginner Italian Pasta Making Class. In the class description, provide a brief overview of what attendees will learn. You can also use the Occasion AI button to help generate a draft. Select Class from the Event Type drop-down menu and choose your preferred checkout version. Step 3. Upload images. Next, let's add some enticing images. Click on the Images tab from the Options panel and select Upload Image. Choose up to 5 high-quality images that showcase your cooking school or examples of delicious dishes attendees will create. It's best to use pictures from the actual class or free images provided by Unsplash to attract more participants. Step 4. Schedule your class. Now it's time to schedule your class. On the Time Slots tab, click on Add New Time Slot. Select the date and time and end time. Don't forget to click Save to keep those changes. Step 5. Set class availability. To adjust the availability for your class, head over to the Availability tab. Here, you can specify the total number of attendees you can accommodate. For example, enter 5 if you can host 5 students. Step 6. Build your roster. Let's gather some information from your attendees. Go to the People tab and locate the Attendee Information section. Check the boxes for first name, last name, and age. Once done, click on Save Attendee Information to confirm your changes. Step 7. Additional pricing. If you need to add collect sales tax, click on the Additional Pricing tab. For a tax rate of 8%, just enter 8 in the sales tax field and click outside of the field to save. This will apply an 8% tax to the order total for this listing. Finally, let's set a pricing question to clarify costs. While on the listing editor, scroll down and click on Add Question. Select Fixed Attendee Pricing and enter the title. You can also put the price per attendee and the maximum quantity available. This helps attendees know what to expect.